India's geographical influence on its history. India is unique in its geographical diversity. The northern region is dominated by the Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range, which has shaped India's history in many ways. The Himalayas acted as a natural barrier, protecting India from invasions from the north for much of its history. But, on the flip side, they also served as a gateway for invaders who passed through the mountain passes like the Khyber Pass, one of the most crucial entry points into India. Just think about it, the Aryans, the Greeks under Alexander, and later, the Mughals used these same passes to enter India. The mountains weren't just a physical barrier, they were a cultural divide, too, allowing the development of distinct regional identities in the subcontinent. Moving south of the Himalayas, we come to the Gangetic Plains, the cradle of Indian civilization. The Ganga, along with its tributaries, made this region extraordinarily fertile, encouraging agriculture, trade, and the growth of early cities. Here, the foundations of India's first urban centers were laid, and this region witnessed the rise of powerful kingdoms, such as the Maurya and Gupta empires. This is where the cultural heart of India was shaped. Think about it. This region was home to some of India's oldest religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, and the great spiritual leaders, like Buddha, walked these very lands. To the south, we find the Deccan Plateau, a region of rugged terrain, ancient temples, and distinct cultures. This plateau was home to the mighty Chola, Vijayanagar, and later, the Marathas. Geographically isolated by the western and eastern Ghats, the Deccan developed its own political systems, cultures, and languages. For example, the Chola dynasty, thanks to its location and naval power, became a maritime force that dominated trade routes across Southeast Asia. The Marathas, using their deep knowledge of the rugged Deccan landscape, successfully fought off the Mughal Empire and became a major regional power. Let's not forget India's extensive coastline, over 7,500 kilometers long, stretching from the Arabian Sea in the west to the Bay of Bengal in the east. The coastal regions were key to India's trade, not just with other parts of Asia, but with Africa and Europe. Ancient port cities like Lothal and Muziris became bustling centers of trade. Merchants traded everything from spices and cotton textiles to gems and gold. These coastal regions also became melting pots of cultural exchange. The spread of Buddhism from India to Southeast Asia and the Arab influence along the western coast are perfect examples of how the sea connected India to the larger world. While India's geographical features provided natural protection, they also made it a target. The Khyber Pass saw the invasion of Alexander the Great in 326 BCE, while the Turks and later the Mughals used similar routes to conquer northern India. India's vast plains were difficult to defend completely, and this led to centuries of foreign invasions. Yet, these invasions brought about unique cultural fusions. The Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire were greatly influenced by Persian, Central Asian, and Afghan cultures, while Indian culture also left a lasting mark on them. India's geographical structure has undeniably shaped its history. The Himalayas protected the subcontinent from northern invasions but also allowed for cultural exchanges. The Gangetic Plains nurtured ancient civilizations, while the Deccan Plateau and coastal regions led to the rise of powerful, independent kingdoms with distinct identities. Whether it was through the fertile plains encouraging the growth of powerful empires, or through the mountain passes that allowed foreign influences to reshape India's culture, geography played a fundamental role in the country's evolution. India's story, shaped by its diverse landscapes, is one of adaptation, resistance, and cultural exchange. So, next time you look at a map of India, remember that its mountains, rivers, deserts, and coasts aren't just features, they're the very forces that helped shape this great civilization we know today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations into history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.